Hey, so let me tell you guys the importance of confidence. Man, confidence, you can't buy it. You know, it's either in you or it's not. But one thing about it is that you could gain it. And confidence, it all starts right here. It all starts in your mind. So, confidence is everything. Confidence is what got me to where I'm at today in life. And I still got a long way to go. But I'm accomplishing my dreams and my vision. This was my vision. These palm trees, this nice weather. But it took confidence for me to get here. So, one thing about it is in life, a lot of you guys just run your mouth. That's all you do. Run your mouth. Stop running your mouth and start running your life. Man, only you are in control of how you're gonna get to that destination. This is your journey. This is your adventure. Man, this is your life. You better stop playing with it. Hey, so let's go ahead and roll off into this content for today. Beautiful day out here. So, I'm gonna answer a couple of questions. First question came from an 18-year-old. Man, big shout out to that 18-year-old that texted me. I mean, not text me, who had emailed me. Big shout out to him, you know? Man, I wish I was like him when I was 18. Ready to start a business, ready to get to it. Man, when I was 18, I was too busy trying to ride up and down the street in my 1987 box Chevy Caprice with 22s on it. About to graduate from high school. Out there just enjoying life and having fun. No regrets. But big shout out to my 18-year-olds and teenagers out there who watch me on YouTube, you know? So his question was, can he become a freight dispatcher right now at 18 years old? And my question is simple. Yes, you can become a freight dispatcher right now at 18 years old. It ain't no age requirement to this. You could be 18 or you could be 88. It don't matter. It's just all about learning it, you know? Learn how to do it and go do it. Man, I could teach an 8-year-old right now how to dispatch. And if that 18-year-old is receptive to what I'm teaching him or her, that 8-year-old could be making $100,000 right now. And it's the truth. It's facts. But that 8-year-old gotta have that hustle and gotta have that drive in him. So I'm trying to tell you, if somebody would have taught me at 8 years old, I would have been making $100,000 dispatching. I was already 7 or 8 shooting dice with my cousins, you know, making good money, already hustling. So, man, anybody could do this out there. It don't matter how old you are. Like I say, you could be 18 or 88. It's just all in your mind after that. If you got that drive, if you got that determination in you, man, you can do whatever you want to do in this world. To be honest, it don't matter how old you are. So yes, at 18 years old, you can become a freight dispatcher. Man, I remember back when I was in the military, back when I was in the Navy around 2006, 2007, before I went on my first deployment, I wasn't doing a whole lot at work. I was self-educating myself on real estate, reading books. Man, I wish somebody would have taught me how to dispatch when I had all that downtime, when I just was twiddling my thumbs out there waiting for aircraft to come back and land. just waiting for hours, sitting in the same seat. Man, I could have been on that load board making money, you know? So you could do this even while you're working your 9-to-5 job. And that was the second question. Can I do this and dispatch owner-operators while working my 9-to-5 job? Yes, you can. And I'm just telling you guys, cold, hard facts. Because when I first started my trucking business and I was dispatching all my trucks, all 3 of my trucks, dispatching them while I was on active duty in a very demanding job, but I was making it happen. So I know you guys can make it happen out there too. Like I always tell you guys, yes, you can do anything. That's how I feel in this world. I'm no millionaire, but money don't define your wealth, your true wealth, and your success. In my circle of people that I know, family and friends, associates, whoever, I'm about the only person that's actually waking up every day and I don't have to clock in. And I make way more money in my life right now than I have ever made in my entire life. But it came with that determination and that confidence to go get it and to not fear anything. So to answer those questions, yes, you could dispatch at 18 years old. You guys could dispatch at whatever age you are current. Man, like I told you, I could teach an 8-year-old if they gonna take the knowledge and go execute on it. I could teach an 88-year-old how to do this. And you guys can make good money doing it. You guys can start doing this at your 9-to-5. Now, it's a difference if you're working on like an assembly line and you can't have your cell phone, or you don't have access to the computer or whatever it is. Hey, that might be a challenge. But for most of you guys out there, I'm pretty sure you could squeeze in a minute here, a minute there to get on that load board, try to book up book a load for your owner operator. So hopefully I answered this question, man. You know, I salute that 18-year-old that's already ambitious, you know, already inspired. If you guys have any questions, hit me up on my email, broker@managedtrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Go sign up with DAT. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS, Trans and Financial Services, if you guys are looking for a factoring service. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.